My name is Bruning from Bruning Farms here in Nebraska, and my wife and I would be the 5th generation to be here at our cow-calf and small feed yard operation. Our mission statement, our motto here is breed better beef. It's a simple mission statement and motto, but it covers everything that we strive to cover and improve on. We have about 600 cow-calf pairs, 400 being in the spring and 100 being in the fall. And then we also, counting in there, is developing our replacement heifers. Our feed yard, everything that we raise and is not kept for reproduction, we finish here at our place, as well as buying customers' cattle. The whole reason we raise cattle is for a beef product and making sure we make the wisest selections and to have the highest quality end product available. We started pretty small with my grandpa and then just grew and grew and just added more pens away from the home place here. So as we grew, we always wanted to stay on top of our AI program and embryo transfer, and getting all those cattle on the same page to heat check. It wasn't possible at the time to get a tight window like we wanted. So we're just looking for different ways to monitor heats with the same amount of guys and the same amount of cattle, and getting those in a tighter window. Since Hub Beef technology kind of came about and developed pretty quickly, it seemed like, and gained trust in it fast. We started off, got about a 7 to 8% jump in my conception rates from the previous year, and a few of those were some natural heats we picked up before we put seeders in. Another thing I like to do is make sure the cows are about to breed or about to transfer embryos into have actually had a cycle or two postpartum, so I know that they're good to go, and I'm not throwing an egg in or semen in on their first true cycle, or I can manage them differently that way. It'll show their patterns, and as their calf will start to get sick, they'll break their pattern and spend time away from the group with their calf while everybody else is eating or laying around ruminating. So that'll show up on the health report, and I know something's up to go check on. It's turned into being able to spread our attention across the herd and not just one particular group. So we're able to go ahead and get our commercial herd processed and those calves worked, and then also get our cleanup bulls, get those in and semen checked, our electric fence picked up off the corn stalk, check on the waters and tanks, and pasture fence down where these will be hauled to. And there's a few honeydew things that get slipped in there. Our goal is to get essentially every animal on the same page, producing a consistent product. To get there, it'll take strict management and obviously utilizing the best technologies and newest available. And it'll take some progressive thinking to not keep doing what we're doing, but always changing and evolving with the times and environments.